It's time to unbox the Greek cookies from Greece. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Okay, here we go. First, look at that. Here they are. Here they are. Here they are. Okay. These are authentic Greek Papalopoulos Yemista cookies. You can't get them here. I've been to the Greek specialty shops. You can't get them. You can only get them in Greece. They do have similar ones. Yemista means creamy filling. They do have them, but they're from another brand from another country. We won't mention which country. I want the original Greek ones. So, time to unbox the Greek cookies. Yemista. These are like what I call the Greek Oreos, okay? But they're from Greece, and they're Yemista. Here we go. Yemista. Yemista. Okay, check this out. Check this out. Chocolate cover, sandwiching vanilla flavor. This is the authentic traditional Greek biscuit, ladies and gentlemen. Here it goes. My mouth feels like it's in Greece right now. On the beach. Agithio. Peter and Canela, you guys rock. Thank you immensely for bringing me an early Christmas gift, because Christmas is in 100 days. This is the best souvenir gift anyone can give someone like me as a gift. Thank you.